Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in my last Dollar Tree haul, I had picked up some hair color in both pink and another brand in dark brown. So today I am going to be testing out the Blush Rose hair color. This is a Greenbrier brand. I did pick up two because I have really long hair, and I'm hoping this is enough. There is no mixing involved with this product. You just need to have clean hair, and you are going to apply it directly to your dry hair. And you're going to leave it on for about 30 to 35 minutes. So let's test it out and see what happens. So I obviously finished coloring my hair, and this is what the final product looks like. Do I love it? No. Will I keep it? No. But the product did what it said it was supposed to do. So, and it actually surprised me for a Greenbrier $1 hair color. Now my hair before was more of like an ombre, so it was my dark natural color, then it went down to like caramel, and then really bleached at the ends. So I really didn't have high expectations because I know the way hair color works, and this light of a pink going over the darker caramel color, I just didn't think it was going to work. So surprisingly, this colored a lot better than I had hoped. So I still have a ton of like orangey undertones. So that I don't love. But again, that's not really the product's fault. That's really just you know, it wasn't meant to go over a color like that. It's really going to be best for someone who has very well stripped or bleached blonde hair that's even. Then this color will adhere perfectly to it and you won't have any issues. But I really was surprised. And just as far as the consistency of the product goes, when I was using it, I used to use Manic Panic back in the day. This was much thicker and a little more gelatinous than that product is. It came out of the tube in like a purple color, and then as it processed, it, you know, got darker into almost more of like a kind of burgundy color or very dark magenta as it processed. The other thing I noticed was they recommend 30 to 35 minutes for process time. I left it on probably closer to 45 minutes just because I really wanted to give the product a chance to cover over the areas that were darker. And I'm glad I did, because it probably would have been even more orange if I had not done that. So depending on, you know, what kind of highlights you have or what color you're going over, depends on how long you really need to leave it on. Now, if your hair is like white, then you can probably leave it on 30 minutes, no problem. The coverage will be great. What else did I notice? A good thing about this product was when I used to use Manic Panic, you would put it in your hair, you'd let it process, you'd go and wash it out, and it would leave the worst stain behind in your tub or your shower, no matter what. If it touched a towel or anything, it just ruined everything it touched, and it was such a mess, and it was such a problem every time I had to color my hair, because I was terrified it was going to get on the walls, it was going to stain my tub, you know, whatever it was. This did not have that issue, and that was really, really great. It washed out my hair perfectly fine. It left no stain behind, which was awesome. So I think just that in itself was great. So if you had maybe teenagers at home or kids who wanted to color their hair and do something fun, I would definitely say give this product a try. The other thing that I noticed was, and I knew this going in, this is only 1.7 ounces. My hair is long. If you have even longer hair, you'll need even more, but this took me about 4 boxes. So that's $4. I wasn't coloring my hair for $1. I think unless you have really, really short hair, or, you know, just some highlights, or, you know, frosted tips or something, I just don't think it's realistic to expect to be able to color your hair evenly and properly with just 1 box. So, but it did what it said. I can't really complain. Do I love the color? Like I said, no, but I knew that going in. This isn't a color I choose, and I really didn't have like the perfect highlighted hair or perfectly bleached blonde hair to make this, you know, work. But again, I was really pleasantly surprised with actually how well it did do. So if you're interested in giving it a try, it's definitely worth it. For $1, you can definitely try it out. Now I'm going to be giving this a try next, because I'm not going to be keeping this beautiful pink color. I'm going to be giving the Newport dark brown color a try and let you know what I think. This is from Dollar Tree. Again, I'm going to be using more than 1 box. You get a lot more of this than the pink color. You do have to mix the Newport product. You get the developer and you get the cream base. So this is 1.4 fluid ounces, and this is 1.4 fluid ounces as well. So that's 2.8 fluid ounces. And I picked up 2 or 3 boxes of this just in case, because I know one's not going to do it. 1 box doesn't do it when I color my hair and I'm paying full price, you know, at Sally's or wherever. So anyway, that is my review of the Greenbrier Colorful Semi-Permanent Hair Color in Blush Rose. And stay tuned for one of my next videos. I will be showing you how the Newport Dark Brown product works as well. So thank you all so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. If you liked this video or you thought it was really helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. It helps me out a ton. And I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Bye.